I'm sorry, expensive camera, come here. So originally for this week, I had a much bigger video planned, but yesterday Devin and I were out looking at some new spots, some new challenges, and I ended up taking a pretty nasty bail.
Oh, good.
So today I think we're gonna take it easy. We're just gonna find some new spots, eye up some challenges for the future, and then see what we can come up with. But not anything crazy this week, no big video, but those will be coming more, promise. We're gonna do a little balance challenge to start off our warm up. Vandalism. I'm sorry. Close enough. Well, do that as a prep first. Okay, so progression, right? Here's your progression. You should be trying to hurdle to here, kind of just tap it and then go down.
Oh yeah, easy. I should be able to get to that.
Yes.
Come on. No, still let off. Today we were supposed to be going to a jam also here at this spot we're at, but everyone kind of bailed because they were worried it was going to rain. And it's beautiful. It's like mid-70s, which is a godsend for us here in Phoenix right now. So Devin and I are going to make the most of this day. Everyone else can go sit at home and worry about it raining. Done with that. Moving on. So this spot has a lot of potential, and I've seen some challenges already. The big thing is right now it's still kind of wet, and there's a lot of dirt slash mud right now kind of around the spot, as you can see.
Kevin is trying to clean off his wet, muddy shoes. I don't know if we'll do much here today, but it's a cool spot. I already saw like a big power line. Not the power line, you know, you see up on, like a line of parkour that's powerful. Ah, I'm rambling so much right now. We're gonna scratch this place for right now, putting it on the map so we remember to come back. And Devin found a nice little spot around the corner that we're gonna go check out. A lot of rocks.
So deep right there.
Oh yeah. That is a nice little plyo challenge, if I've ever seen one. That could be
A running?
running, plyo. Oh, and plyo to that.
At the end?
That's a hard edge too.
Yep.
This is a massive, that's a massive jump.
And this one here is doable, easy. It's only 8.
Holy crap.
That's big.
That's really big. Yeah, I might be able to get it.
With momentum, maybe.
I probably wasn't gonna come around this corner, but Devin went and explored a little and found it. Can't overshoot it because you got this
Into stairs.
down here. Now you could
Over here.
prep it over here. That's big. That's going on a list right there. I don't think I'm gonna do much here though. My hamstring is still, I can't do a ton of power right now because my hamstring from the other day is still very,
To like roll.
this guy, to learn, you gotta get goofy. Take that as your tip for this week, people. Okay, stop talking. So, we're not doing any more here. Not until my hamstring heals up and I can put proper power in, because these are some big, beefy plyos, but I'm gonna get them. When I do 360s, I go and I keep my arm here.
Yeah.
But I've seen a lot of people, they come around like this.
Nice. That's really good.
All right, fun little 360 training. We're moving on. So we found another spot, and as we were getting ready to leave the last one, a guy in the community came up and decided he's gonna come hang out with us. His name is the Fly God, and you need to follow him because he does some pretty sick stuff on Instagram. It looks like the rain's gonna be rolling in here in a second, so we're gonna try and get some stuff in and probably call it a day, call it a video, call it a week. Scenario is I overpower a little, okay? If I overpower a little, I can tap and then just take it to the dirt down there, which actually is pretty soft right now. So there's no reason I shouldn't be going for it. Just give it a little bit extra. Worst thing is I tap.
Ah, feels beautiful.
I'm sorry, expensive camera, come here.
Nice.
It's starting to come down with rain, so I think we're gonna call it a week. A little bit more of a vlog style video this week, but we're gonna have some of the bigger cinematic videos coming, so keep an eye out for those. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and see you in the next video.